Namaste yogis and welcome to Laura Baumann Yoga. In this 10-minute standing yoga poses flow, you don't need a yoga mat. And you can do this outside in the garden or at the park. We will begin standing up tall in mountain pose, Tadasana. Bring your big toes together, slightly separate the heels, lift your kneecaps up, inhale through the nose, lift your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, join your hands together and place them in front of your heart in prayer position. Feel free to set your intention for your yoga practice. Namaste. And let's mindfully flow into a standing forward bend. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, start folding from the hips forward. Soften the knees, keep lengthening the spine, come all the way down. You can hold on to your lower legs, ankles, or feet. Relax your neck. Keep your eyes open and stay focused on your breath. You can go ahead and take ragdoll pose by holding on to the opposite elbows and feel free to sway from side to side. Release any tension and keep your knees soft. And then inhale, place your hands on your shins, come up halfway, flat back. As you exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and all the way up. And exhale, join your hands together, start folding from the hips forward, standing forward fold. Inhale to lengthen the spine, come up halfway, hands are on the shins. And as you exhale, lower down. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, bring your upper body all the way up. Join your hands together, exhale, stand up tall, hands in front of your heart. And take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale completely. Inhale, bring your arms up. As you exhale, fold forward. We're going to add a twist. Bend the left knee and then place your left hand on your left upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. And then on your next inhale, raise your right arm up, rotating your chest to the right. Exhale to lower the right arm down, switching sides. Straighten out the left leg. Bend the right knee. Place your right hand on your right upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm up, twisting to your left side from the chest. You can look up, down, whatever you prefer. Keep breathing. Exhale, lower your left arm down. Soften both knees, standing forward bend. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come up all the way, circling your arms down, around, all the way up. Exhale, join your hands together. And place your hands on the hips. Step your left foot out to the back. Keep your feet hip-width apart. The left toes are slightly pointing outwards. Keep your hips square, meaning the hip bones are facing the front. Inhale, reach your left arm up, and as you exhale, start folding from the hips forward. Keep length in the spine, and then place your left hand on your right upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. Keep breathing. And as you inhale, reach your right arm up, slightly twist from your chest towards the right for a revolved triangle pose. Exhale, lower the right arm down, hold on to your front leg, and turn your left toes inwards so that your feet are parallel. You can keep your hands on your leg or place your hands on the hips for pyramid pose. Breathe. And then start bending your front knee. Shift your weight forward, place your hands on the floor, and lift your left leg off the ground. Keep your hips parallel with the floor. That's the most important thing. It doesn't matter how high your left leg is. And then lower your left leg down. Step it back. Left foot is slightly pointed outwards. The feet are hip-width apart. Or pretend you're standing on railroad tracks for balance. Keep the front knee bent. Lengthen out the left leg. Bring your torso up. Keep the hip bones facing the front. And you can always place your hands on the hip bones to make sure that your hips are square. Inhale, reach your arms up. For warrior one, keep breathing. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Knit your ribs in. Try not to splay out your stomach. Find your breath. And take one final breath in Warrior One pose. Then lower your hands down, place your hands on the hips, option 1. Second option is interlacing your hands right behind you. Inhale, bring your shoulder blades towards each other, and as you exhale, fold forward. Bring your head down towards your front knee and hold your balance in Humble Warrior pose. Breathe. Then lower your hands down if they were interlaced and release your hands to the ground. Frame your front foot. And to come out of the pose, step your left foot forward next to your right foot for standing forward fold. Relax your neck, keep your eyes open. Inhale, come up halfway, flat back. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come up all the way. Bring your arms all the way up. Exhale, lower your arms down, press the air away. And let's get ready for the same procedure on the other side. Place your hands on the hips, step the right foot out to the back, slightly point the right toes outwards. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Square the hips, the hip bones are facing the front. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Keep lengthening the spine, and as you exhale, fold forward. And then place your right hand on your left upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Twist your chest gently to the left side. You can look up or down, whatever you prefer. Revolve triangle pose. Find your balance and take a few deep breaths. Revolve triangle pose is great for balance and coordination. And then lower your left hand down. Parallel your back foot. Lower your head down, relax the neck. And for pyramid pose, you can place your hands on the hips. You can also soften the front knee, or place the hands on your front leg or the floor. Wherever you can reach is fine. And then start bending the knees, shift your weight forward, place the hands on the floor, and inhale, reach your right leg up towards the sky. Remember, the most important thing here is to keep your hips square. Keep breathing. And then lower the right foot down towards the ground. The feet are hip-width apart, or you can pretend you're on railroad tracks. That will help with balance, and slightly point the right toes outwards. The front knee stays bent. Keep your hips square. Bring your torso up, gaze forward. Ground down through your feet. Hug your inner thighs in towards each other. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Keep breathing in your Warrior One pose. Keep your core firm and try not to splay out your belly. Final breath. And then for Humble Warrior, you can place your hands on the hips or interlace your hands behind you. Inhale, lengthen, and as you exhale, fold forward. Bring your head down next to your front knee. Hold your balance, find your breath. Humble Warrior is a very challenging pose, so if you lose balance, no worries, just bring yourself back into the pose. Humble Warrior is very strengthening and it increases flexibility. If your hands were interlaced, slowly bring your hands down, and we're all placing our hands on the floor, bending both knees. And then step your left foot forward next to your right foot, standing forward bend. Relax your neck down. For a shoulder stretch, interlace your hands behind your lower back. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring your shoulder blades towards each other as you bring your hands towards the ground, towards your head. Hold and breathe. Keep your eyes open. And then slowly release the shoulder stretch. Bring your hands to your lower back, then release your hands down. Place your hands on the shins. Inhale, come up halfway, flat back. Exhale, lower down. And then let's get ready to close our practice. Inhale, come up all the way, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, join your hands together, arch the spine. And then place your hands in front of your heart in prayer position. Remember your intention. And take a moment to feel gratitude for doing your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. The light in me bows to the light in you.